कि ये एलिगेशंस हैं इनका, इसको आप बीट करें।
कोई स्टेटमेंट ऑफ एलिगेशन
कुछ नहीं किया गया। सो गुजारिश मेरी ये,
सुप्रीम जुडिशियल काउंसिल इज अ वेरी पावरफुल बॉडी। आप जरा 210 भी पढ़ लें आइन का।
ये बिल्कुल सही है कि
ये जरा देखिए, इसकी जरा मैंने अभी इसके जरा अल्फाज का चुनाव जरा देखिए।
power of constitutional force attendance of persons, yes.
नहीं, टेक्स्ट पढ़िए ना।
For the purpose of inquiring into any matter, any matter,
not pertaining to, it doesn't connect with the conduct of the judge. अभी I widened up the scope. जरा पढ़े आगे।
sir, वो उससे connected
नहीं, जरा चले
The
पढ़ते हैं आगे।
council shall have the same power as the Supreme Court has to issue directions or orders for securing the attendance of any person or the discovery or production of any document, and any such direction or order shall be enforceable as if it had been issued by the Supreme Court. The provisions of Article 204 shall apply to the contempt powers. So
it's a very powerful body. It can call anybody.
Can call anybody. That is what, in the context of inquiry, naturally, it has to be.
It's not hearing a case. It's inquiry. So वो आपने जो इंक्वायरी कमीशन की बात की, तो ये खुद ही इंक्वायरी कमीशन है इन अ वे।
बिल्कुल
more powerful than इंक्वायरी। कंटेम्प्ट के पास भी इनके पास है।
बिल्कुल सही है। मैं इसीलिए कह रहा हूँ, मैं सबमिटेड, द आंसर इज
खान साहब, let me put my anxiety to you. Every Supreme Judicial Council is not the Supreme Court. It's a separate constitutional body. Agreed? Every constitutional body should have maximum autonomy to decide matters. Agreed? Thirdly, we don't want to encroach or say or do anything. It just so happens that I'm a member of the Supreme Judicial Council as well, but we create precedent as well, that it undermines the Supreme Judicial Council. Supreme Court is not a watchdog over. However, like every other constitutional body, when a constitutional provision or a fundamental right is being violated by anybody or not being considered, let's both ways, then the Supreme Court is the only court which has the power, or the High Court, not in this case, to direct that this be done.
Yes.
So we have to be very careful how we proceed in this matter, because it will, like you are citing Justice Clark's case after 50 years, this will become precedent and it will be cited before us maybe earlier than 50 years. So we have to be very careful as to not disturb the perfect balance that the constitution makers have provided in the constitution.
There is an intervening judgment 2018 की, उसमें ये सारे एस्पेक्ट्स बहुत अच्छे डिस्कस हुए हैं, और उसमें ये आया, उसकी हैसियत क्या है ये भी डिस्कस हुई है। मेरी गुजारिश है उस जजमेंट को जरा PLD 2018 सुप्रीम कोर्ट 538, I was counsel that again Shaukat Siddiqui's case.
This is Iftikhar Chaudhry's case.
This is PLD 2018.
वो अच्छा, एक और जो आपका मैटर, नहीं ये नहीं का है, ये तो आप ही का केस है ना?
जी वही। इसमें ये एस्पेक्ट, प्रोसीजर एस्पेक्ट्स बड़े डिटेल में डिस्कस हुए हैं।
Which part you want to read from?
जी अब मैं आपको वो जो है ना बताया कि वो मेरे नोट्स निकाल नहीं, दूसरे वाले नोट्स में
पेज 5559 पे आ जाए।
538 से जनाब
पेज 5559 पे पैराग्राफ 51।
My lord, just my lords, am I needed for these proceedings, or can I be excused for now?
Is there something urgent?
Yes, I have. There's a matter which I have to argue, not before.
Okay, fine, ठीक है।
But it must take more.
कोई बात हुई उनको बता देंगे। But you've noted the points, नहीं?
I have.
ठीक।
Sir, this judgment is very thorough judgment discussing various aspects of Article 209. पहला जो point out करूँगा वो पेज 555 है, पैरा 46
जी।
Historically,
Para 46.
page 555,
Ji, historically,
para
ji.
46. Historically, the fundamental rights of the people require protection from the excess of the executive and the vested interests, both commercial and political. In order to safeguard the fundamental rights of the people guaranteed under the Constitution, the independence of judiciary obviously must be insulated from the onslaught of the executive and such vested interests who are past masters at institutional capture. Thus, the security of tenure of judges, more so those of the superior courts, is imperative, and therefore adequate safeguards in this behalf are provided, including by enacting what appears to be a rather cumbersome and strict process of their removal. This cardinal principle is reflected in the constitutional dispensation of all the democratic countries, people by citizens and not subjects. The exception in this behalf are almost always found in...
Fine, you don't need to say this, it's obvious, ji.
नहीं सर, एक ये बात